Hi everyone, welcome to ITLS Academy. Myself, Advocate Priyanka, and today I am going to talk about the trade secret. So, in the series of session for topic intellectual property rights, today we will talk about the another intellectual property right that is called trade secret. So, before going to the trade secret, I will let you know that what will be the today's contents for this topic. So, first we will see highlights of previous session as usual, and then we will see the different subtopics in the main topic that is trade secret. So, we will see that what is trade and what is secret. Then, what makes secret a trade secret is can any secret be a trade secret or not? If not, then what makes a secret to be a particular trade secret? Then we will see that what are the potential trade secrets or what can be the potential trade secrets. And after that, we will see how can we maintain trade secrets, laws applicable to trade secret, and what are the benefits of trade secrets. So all these things we are going to cover in today's session. So first we will go through the highlights of previous session. So in previous session, if you remember, we talked about the international patent application. So if you don't remember, I will just give a flashback of my previous session. So we saw that what is the international patent application? International patent application is basically a single patent application that can lead the application in multiple countries. If you don't get this, then just let me clear in a very simple language that any application or patent application which is filed internationally and that can reach your application or that can deliver your application to various countries, that will be the basically international patent application. Here one point to be noted that is very important, that there is no concept of worldwide patent. Yes, there is concept of international patent application. Here I didn't say that it is the international granted patent. So there is concept of international patent application, but there is no concept of worldwide patent, that is international granted patent. Obviously you will file international patent application and you will be leaded to the different countries, but each and individual country have right to pass your to grant your application as a patent or not as per their uh, local laws, or you can say regional laws for the patents. So it is clear that there is concept of international patent application, but there is no concept of international granted patent. Now there are two main conventions through which we can file international patent application. First is Paris Convention and second is PCT. So we talked lots of about the Paris Convention and PCT and how we can file the international patent application through this. Like in Paris Convention, we have time of 12 months to file international patent application or to file patent application in different countries where we used to file. And in PCT, we have 31 months of time total to file individual applications in individual countries where we wish to file. So these all things we have already talked about in the previous session. So today I am not going to take too much time for that uh, topic, that is international patent application. If you wish to know more about this topic, you can go and see my previous video. So now we will move to the today's topic, that is what is trade secret. So before going to this whole trade secret, first we will know that what is trade and what is secret. So trade is basically the transfer of goods or services from one entity to another entity. Like when we say that we are doing trade, that you are selling something in the wholesale or in retail sale. So that means there is good or services. Like services, you can talk about the Uber service or the restaurant service. So in all these things, there is transfer of something, like transfer of good or transfer of service from one entity to another entity. If shopkeeper is doing the trade, then he is selling particular goods to the other individuals. Here also is the transfer of goods. So this is the definition of trade. Now what is the secret? As we all know that secret that should be silent. So secret means something special which you don't want to disclose to others, or which you have disclosed to some your trusted people, so few of your trusted people. So that will be the come under the secret, that is not known to the all, that is not known publicly. It is shared among some trusted or some, yeah, you can say some trusted people. So this is the trade and this is the secret. Now if we will combine these both, then it will become the trade secret. So trade secret are basically confidential information of any individual, of any organization, which may be sold or licensed, and obviously that trade secret are known to the basically few people of that company or few trusted people of that individual. So these secrets are very important for that particular business or for particular service, and this can be sold or this can be licensed. Trade secret can be any formula, any pattern, idea, process, or physical device by which a business can gain economic growth. So that means it can be anything, any secret with help of that any business can grow up, or if he wants, that individual wants, he can sell that secret to others and then he can gain the financial, obviously he will sell, that means there is something very important information in that trade secret. So this is about the, I mean, this is the basically definition of the trade secret. So what is the trade secret? Now we will see that what makes secret trade secret. Is all secret a trade secret? Like you have some your personal secret, like okay, uh, I mean, you know the some qualities of some person, or you know the some weakness of some other person. So that is also a secret. So can it be a trade secret? Obviously no. Trade secret must be related to the some important information that can be used to the enhance for the growth of any trade, that means for any business, that can be any goods or any service type of business. So it's not like that any secret can be trade secret. Now what makes secret a trade secret? So as I told, secret must have some commercial value. That means what I explained, that it can I mean, it can give you some economical benefits, some professional benefits, then only it will be covered under the trade secret. Second thing is that trade secret must be known to only few group of people. It is not like that if it is known to everyone, then it is not the secret, and obviously it is not the trade secret. And there must be some reasonable steps by the trade secret holder to keep this secret as the secret. It's not like that you have some trade secret and you told some your trusted few people, but in that few people you will have to make some arrangement like agreement that they will not disclose this to some others, like you told some your I mean some your colleague who is very closer to you, and if he will tell to some other person who is closer to that your colleague, then your secret will be not be a secret for a long time. So in that case you must make an agreement to keep your secret as a confidential, and to that it should not pass on from one to another. So these are the things which make secret a trade secret. Now what can be the potential trade secret, or you can say what are the potential trade secrets? It's not like that every trade, like as I told, that it's not like that every secret can be a trade secret, and like this also there is a fact that it's not like that every trade secret can be a potential trade secret. So there must be some uniqueness or some important things in that trade secret, which makes it is a potential trade secret. So there are few, I have written few examples, so we will go through that. Like recipe of some unique product, like you have made some recipe for some special dish, and it is not known to the public, this dish is very particular, very unique, then obviously that recipe will be your trade secret, that recipe will be a potential trade secret. You should make arrangements to protect that unique recipe. Now another is ingredients of recipes. Okay, you protected the recipe, then there are some ingredients, like you are not making any particular recipe, but you are adding some ingredients which are enhancing the taste of that particular dish, like or it is giving some nutritional value, or it is increasing its taste, that is not I mean very different from the common dishes which are used in the now restaurants or anywhere. So that particular ingredient can be also your trade secret. You should protect that trade secret with the help of some agreement. Now there are formula for drinks. There are so many drinks we know today's mocktail, cocktail, but there are some particular formula to make some particular type of medical so mocktail. So this formula can be also the potential trade secret. Now marketing strategy and survey methods, like everyone do survey, everyone do marketing strategies, but you need to see that if your strategy has some unique way which is giving a very very great result, very great output, then in that case you should make your strategy or make your survey method as a trade secret, and it can be obviously a potential trade secret. Design and drawings of computer program, like you have made some design, some drawings for any computer program, then it can be also potential trade secret. Pharmaceutical test data, like you have anyone is launching any medicine and he have done some test, particular test for that particular medicine, then that test data can be also a potential trade secret. Inventions yet to be filed a patent application, that means there are some inventions in your mind or you are working on that, but it's not, you have not yet decided that you should file patent application, or you are not in that stage that you can file the patent application. In that case you can also protect your that particular invention or particular process as a trade secret, so no other can use and can file a patent application earlier than you. So these are few potential trade secrets. So here you see, like you have some new idea, okay, some new invention in your mind, okay, you can do these things. Now what can be, there are two options. Your idea can be patentable or your idea cannot be patentable. So we first will talk about this first case, that okay, your idea is patentable. In this case there are again two options, that you will get patent for it or you will go for the patent application, or in second case if you don't wish to that your particular idea should come in public even after the 20 years, any others can use it. So in, or you right now you don't think that you should file the patent application because you are not in that stage. In that case you can go for the trade secret. Here you can protect your idea for a long period of time. Now if we talk about the second option, that is non-patentable, in that case also either you can go for the trade secret or either you can go for the copyright. I think it's a hiding from my face, but here it's a written copyright. So if your idea is non-patentable due to some restrictions in Indian Patent Act, according to the Section 3, few things that cannot be patented, in that case, you can, but you think that, okay, your idea has some potential, you can gain some economic benefit or you can enhance your business. In that case, you can keep it as a copyright if it is something writing or something like this, or you can make it is a trade secret. In that case, you can you don't need to go for the patent, and still you can protect your idea. So these are the potential trade secrets, and these are the things that if you have any new idea in your mind, then how can you go for the trade secret? Now we talked about that what is the trade secret and what can be the potential trade secrets. So now it's time to see that how to maintain trade secrets. How can you maintain your trade secret as a secret? Because there are no particular you can say that the particular rules or particular acts for the trade secret, that is trade secret act. So there are some particular like there are some particular rules and particular acts for the patents and copyrights, but it's nothing like that. It is something for the trade secret. So in that case, there are few measures by with the help of them you can maintain your trade secret. Like first, you can implement non-disclosure agreement in business procedure. So when you go for the any business, you must implement this non-disclosure agreement with your employees, with your colleagues, that they will not disclose your any important information to the others. Second is implement physical and electronic access restrictions. Like nowadays, every company, most of the companies are giving their own, you can say their own laptop or something. So in that case, and they have made some restriction that you cannot transfer data from that laptop to another. So these things should be implemented, so no one can use your, I mean, no one can your misuse your data, even your employee or even your colleagues, and they can transfer it to others. So there must be some restrictions, physical and electronic access. Now, third party non-disclosure agreement and conduct ongoing reviews of process in place for keeping information confidential. So like if you have some business like there are some third parties also involved, not only employees, and there are some you have to work on some other site. In that case, you should make a third party non disclosure agreements, and you should also go and see in the time to time that you should review that place, and you should review that process who are using by the others, that if they are keeping your information confidential or not, or if they are misusing. So these things should be used to maintain your secret as a trade secret. Now, implementation of conducting vendor and employee training. You should conduct some employee training, or if you have in business that you are contact with some vendors, then you should uh, I mean, conduct training for the vendors, that they must know that these are the things which are confidential, and they cannot say it to others, or they cannot give it to others. Or and most of the thing important thing, that you should put a person or group in charge of trade secret protection. Like there is some trade secret and some few people know, in among the few people you must make one person that must be the charge for the keeping information very confidential, or keep or protecting that information. So with the help of these measures, you can maintain your trade secret even there is no particular you can say that particular act for the trade secret, but still you can maintain your trade secret. So what are the laws applicable for trade secret violation? As I told, there is no particular law for the especially trade secret violation, but there are few laws which can be used for the trade secret violation, like contract law. So if you have made any non-disclosure agreement, so in that case you can use this contract law for if anyone is violating this non-disclosure agreement. And other is unfair competition, like inappropriate use by competitors with no agreement, by theft or employee subversion. Like if your competitor is you can say is subverting some of your employees towards them, and taking some confidential information from them, or they have stolen your confidential information. So in that case, you can go through this unfair competition law for the trade secret violation. Now there are some criminal laws also in case of theft of the trade secret done by employee or unauthorized use of the electronic device, uh, like your employee uh, has stolen some of your trade secret, or he has used some unauthorized use of that electronic device. So in that case also you can use the criminal laws. It will be applicable under the criminal laws, and this can be used for the trade secret violation. So these are the few laws which you can use when your trade secret is getting violated. Now, what are the legal remedies for the trade secret violation? So as there is no laws for the trade secret violation, also there are no legal remedies for the particularly for the trade secret violation. But with some other laws, like under the contract law, under the criminal law, you can go for the remedies for your trade secret violation. So like most of the legal remedies, most frequently used legal remedies are like monetary damage. In this case, in this case, infringer will give you the actual damage due to misuse of trade secret. Like if some of your employer or some of your colleague misused your trade secret, and they earn some economical gain, so in that case what they earn, they will refund you, they will give it back to you. Now another monetary damage is that net benefit of infringer because of misappropriate use of trade secret. If anyone is getting any benefit, or you have some damage because like you have some economical loss due to your trade secret theft, so in that case also that net what you lost, your infringer will return it back to you. Now another is seizure order. This is order to search defendant's premise to obtain the evidence for the trade secret theft. This order is obviously given by the court, and in that case police will go, and they will you can say seize that place, and they will try to find some evidence in the case of the trade secret. Now stop the misuse. So when you will file your trade secret violation case, and court will find that okay, other person is guilty, then he will immediately give order to stop the misuse of the product. And in other case, if as a precautionary, if you file the trade secret violation, then court as a precautionary only that time will give the temporary injunction, or you can say they will temporarily stop the using of that trade secret. And when decision will come, accordingly court will take the decision that okay, uh, if person found guilty, they will not give order to reuse, but if person didn't found guilty, then the court will give order to use the product again and again, or use your trade secret. Now what are the basically defenses for trade secret violation? So there are some legal remedies, there are some laws for the trade secret violation, not for, particular for the trade secret, but there are some laws which we can use for that. So there are some defenses also which can be used. Obviously if anyone will be any defendant will obviously go through there some defenses. So in that case what you can give the defenses, that first is unreasonable delay in filing misappropriation of claim. Like if anyone is filing that okay, he is using my trade secret even some after 5 year 4 year, that in that case obviously you can give the reason that why didn't he come earlier, and this will be if there is some unreasonable delay, then in that case there will be no trade secret violation. Publicly available data. If anyone is telling okay, it's my trade secret, but you are able to show that no, it is the publicly available data which you used, in that case there will be no trade secret violation. Independent development. If you can show that okay, this is what what is you are telling that it is your trade secret, but I made independently this particular recipe, independently this particular product. Obviously, you will have to give some evidences for that independent research, and then in that case also there will be no trade secret violation. Another is proprietor failed to keep the information secret. Like anyone is telling that okay, he is using my trade secret, but he didn't. He didn't make any non-disclosure agreement with his employees. And in that case, if employee give it to some others, so in that case there will be no trade secret violation, because there was no protection for the trade secret from the main owner sides. So these are the some defenses which you can use if anyone claims that okay, you are just violating their some other trade secret. Now, what are not protected under trade secrets? Like we discussed earlier, so there are some few points, more few points like reverse engineering. As I told that uh, if there are some use of process or ingredients by reversing the original process, like if you have A to D, and in that case you are getting A from D. Like you are not using directly A to D, but you are using D to A. That will be the called reverse engineering. So in that case, there will be no trade secret violation. It will be not covered under the trade secret because you are not directly using their formula that is giving A to D. You are reversing that formula and you are making D A from the D. So in that case, it will be not covered under the trade secret. Another is clean room that I told you as an independent product you can claim. In that case, you will have to show that it is something acquired by the independent research, and obviously there must be some proven evidence in registers and in other things that is called the clean room. So in this case, if something is acquired by independent research, it will also not cover under the trade secret. Now another is market analysis. Like if you have done some survey and it is exclusively result of your market analysis. In that case, and some others also have the same result, but they have done the same with some other process, and you have some other process you have done independently that analysis. In that case, it will be also not protected under the trade secret. Now, next question is that what are the benefits of trade secret? Is there any benefit? Why should we not go for the patent, or why should we not go for the copyright? Why should we go for the trade secret? So there are few points which makes it more, you can say, more powerful or more strong protection. And obviously it depends on the person to person perspectives and person to person reason to use that particular trade secret. So first is unlimited period of protection. As we are not going through for the patent which gives only 20-year of protection, we are going through the trade secret. In that case, until your trade secret is not disclosed, it is protected. So it will give you the unlimited period of protection. Worldwide protection. It is not like that for the patent you have to file patent application in individual and individual country. Here it is not like that. It is your trade secret and it has the worldwide protection, as I told, until it is the protected, and no other can use your trade secret. Other is no application required. We don't need to file any patent application, like we don't need to file any trade secret application. It is automatically with the help of some agreement. So no need of application required, no need of maintenance cost paid to the government, like for the patents till 20 years we need to pay the some renewal fee till last the 20 years. But in this case, no need to pay the any maintenance cost to the government. You only have to the maintain your secret as a trade secret. And now no wait for the approval of registration, like in patent you are going for the patent application, then they will give the approval of registration, or sometimes they will not give. It depends how you have your application has proceed. But in this case there is not this type of any problems, like okay, your trade secret will be rejected or something like this, or you have to wait for the approval of registration. Is automatically registered when you make any agreement with the others. And immediate effect, like in patent application obviously it takes time, or for the copyright application, for any application it takes time to come in the effect. But here, from the when you know that okay, this is the some important recipe, or this is the some important thing that can be beneficial for my trade, from the that time only it is started. And uh, that time only you can make agreements, and it will be the covered under the trade secret. So there are obviously there are many benefits of the trade secret, and there are some you can say that some cons of the trade secret also, like if anyone says that okay, um, patent is obviously for the 20 periods of 20 years of period, but it is more protected. So they can be true, because in if any one of your employer, any one of your colleague do some misuse of your trade secret, and you would be not be able to, or either you would not be able to protect your trade secret, and obviously in that case patent is more effective. But as I told you earlier, it depends on the perspective of person to person, or how you are using that product, or how you are using that secret, or how you are using that trade secret for your business. So in this case we can see that there are many benefits of trade secrets over other intellectual properties. So we should obviously go for the trade secret if we have something important and we don't want to disclose it to the public, and we want to protect it for the long time. Like you can see that there are some Coca-Cola recipe, or some KFC chicken recipe. So these are not protected under any patent or any copyright, but these are still secret, and these are secret since a very long time. So here you can see the benefit of the trade secret, that no need of application, no need of renewal fee, only to need to maintain your trade secret. And there is no limited period, like we are drinking Coca-Cola since so many times, I mean since a long time back. So there is no limited time protection, that okay, after that this trade secret will come to the public and anyone can use it. Your secret will be secret forever, until anyone other violate your trade secret or misuse your trade secret. So these are the benefits of trade secrets. Now we talked about the trade secrets. What is trade secret? What are the importance of trade secret? What are the laws which can be applied for the trade secrets? So I hope this is clear to you all. So in previous session, I have left with some unanswered topics, that was the trade secret and unfair competition. So today we talked about the trade secret, and if anything I am missing in this topic, you are welcome to write in the comment section, and I will obviously come back with this topic. I mean subtopics of the trade secrets. And till then, wait for the next session. That will be the come under the that will cover the unfair competition. If you are curious to know that what is the unfair competition, what are the laws applicable to the unfair competition, then please come back and see my next video. Till then, enjoy this video for the trade secret. And if you have any doubts in my any session, please write in the comment section, or in this session also you can write in the comment section. I will obviously come back with the doubt clearing session. Till then, thank you so much, and don't forget to follow ITLS Academy on Insta, Facebook, WhatsApp. So anywhere on the social platform or educational platform, you can find the ITLS Academy, and please follow. And thank you so much for watching. And please like, share, and subscribe, and uh, be in touch, or be tuned with us for the next sessions, next video. Till then, thank you so much. Bye bye.